ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, গত ভিডিওতে আমি ইউলিসেসের সম্পর্কে তোমাদেরকে একটা তার ইউলিসেস কবিতাটা সম্পর্কে তোমাদের বুঝিয়ে দিয়েছিলাম, যদিও সেটা বাংলায় দিয়েছিলাম। আর আমি বলেছিলাম যে এর পরের ভিডিওটাতে আমি ইউলিসেসের সামারিটা তোমাদেরকে বলে শোনাবো। যে সামারিটা আমি তৈরি করেছি সেটাকে আমি একটু বলছি, শোনো, বুঝতে পারবে। ইউলিসেস, দ্য সন অফ লিয়ার্টেস, he is the king of Ithaca in Greece. He is a man of adventure and is not satisfied with peaceful life or a king with routine duties. There is no thrill for him in such monotonous life. In his past days, he has fought for many years and traveled in many countries. He takes part in many expeditions. It is not possible for him to sit idle and take rest. Though he has gathered knowledge much, he wishes to have more knowledge is finite. One cannot attain in single life. He does not want to waste any time. Ulysses does not believe that old age is time of retirement. Old age has its own honor. Something heroic deeds may be achieved in that age. He inspires his old companions to take part in another expeditions. Before going, he wishes to leave his spectre to his son Telemachus, who is prudent, patient, and dutiful. They may die in their journey, but still they have strength of will to strive, to seek, to find, and not to get. That means Ulysses is the son of Laertes, is the king of a little island is named Ithaca. Actually, Ulysses is the man of adventure. His hobby and his determination is to continue his adventures. He is not satisfied as a general life such as a king and rule his kingdom and routine duties. He cannot believe this. Actually, he wants thrill, and there is no thrill such monotonous life. In his past days, he fought with many countries. Also, he won the battle, he triumphed over it. He also did so many adventures in life. Now he is aged, but he does not consider that old age is the time for the rest. He considered that in old age some heroic deed may be achieved. According to him, age is not a factor. He thinks that age is just a number. So many great things may be achieved in old days. He thought our life is very short. With this short span of life, one cannot fulfill all desire, and he already crossed his middle of his life. So that is why he wants to save every time. He wants no time to lose, and he start his expeditions, actually his adventures. But he cannot commensurate with his wife. Actually, his wife is a fully housewife. She has not any interest in the adventures. So Ulysses calls her an aged wife. Before going to his adventure, Ulysses wants to give all the spectre, that means all his kingdom, to his son Telemachus. According to him, Telemachus is very prudent, patient and dutiful, and he is worthy to look after his kingdom. That's why he says, he work his work, I mine. Okay, so Ulysses thinks that before death is the loss of human body, and if the death comes, nobody can achieve anything. That is why he does not want to lose any time. He thinks they may die their journey, but still they have the strength, will strive to seek and not to ill. So they think that in this age he has to do some heroic deed, because wherever he goes, anywhere, he got the fame and everyone honored him. That is why Ulysses wants to leave his kingdom, and he gives the responsibility of his kingdom to his son Telemachus, and he thinks that Telemachus will rule his kingdom very carefully and he will do his duty, that means the adventures. That's it.